Cleaning my living room manually is a huge pain, but I might have found the solution. So this little guy is the Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, and I am never going back to manually cleaning. Here's why. So inside the box, we have the Shark PowerDetect robot vacuum and mop itself, a 12-ounce bottle of cleaning solution, extra accessories like a mopping pad. Setup was incredibly simple and straightforward. I took everything out of the box, peeled all the plastic, and plugged in the dock. I followed the large instruction manual and got everything up and running in about 20 to 30 minutes. I downloaded the Shark Clean app on my phone to remotely access this robot, and it was a fairly seamless process. Once I got the app set up, I let the robot automatically explore my floor plan, so essentially it spent about 10 to 15 minutes roaming around the living room, dining room, as well as the laundry room and a bathroom just to get a sense of the floor plan, and it made a digital floor plan on the app that I could actually take a look at right now. So with the app, I can control almost every aspect of the robot. Right now, I can see the battery status, so I can see how much charge it has left. I can set the robot to clean specific rooms in my layout, and even spot clean specific areas, so I can enable vacuum only modes, so the robot will go and only vacuum a specific area, or I can enable mop, so it'll use stain detect technology to automatically adjust the behavior and complete stain removal in specific areas. So not only can it vacuum, but it can also mop. Or I can just let it clean the entire home with one click of a button. The Shark PowerDetect features some cleaning technologies that I think are just super cool. So on the vacuum side of things, it features Dirt Detect, which senses hidden debris to boost suction power and add additional cleaning passes to go back and forth a few extra times to clean stuck dirt. Dirt Detect was very useful in the kitchen where grains of rice and bits of pasta can get stuck in corners, as well as in the mat, and the robot passed back and forth to clean up all the hidden debris. With Floor Detect, the robot identifies between carpet as well as hard floors to optimize cleaning type depending on the specific floor type. The robot even adjusts the suspension to go over the carpet so that the mop does not drag its wet pad on top of the carpet surface, and I think it just looks super cool. With Edge Detect, the robot identifies edges and corners to blow blasts of air to push debris out of these challenging corners and into the cleaning path. Edge Detect is especially useful in the laundry room where lint can get stuck in the corners and edges of the room, and I purposely grabbed a bunch of lint and stuffed it into the baseboards, and the robot intelligently blew all that debris out into the cleaning path and sucked it all up, which I'm super satisfied with. On the vacuum and mop side of things, the Shark PowerDetect features Stain Detect, where the robot will take multiple passes over stains to better clean on stuck-on stains. And this helps with stuck-on stains like paw prints, as well as laundry detergent that I got stuck in the laundry room. So the robot passed back and forth on the detergent stains on the floor of the laundry room, and it cleaned up the entire mess, which I really appreciated. I also threw some mud on the tile around the back door. It did a phenomenal job by cleaning the entire muddy mess. And with Wet Edge Detect, the Shark PowerDetect extends the mopping pad out to the corners and edges to better clean edges. So not only does the Shark PowerDetect feature robust cleaning features, it also saves you a bunch of time with maintenance because the maintenance intervals aren't as frequent. The robot can self-empty, which is awesome because the robot automatically empties into a 60-day capacity bagless base that you can just pull out of the dock and just dump it in the trash. Self-refill is a great feature because the robot automatically refills the tank for up to 30 days, and all I have to worry about is periodically fill the clean water tank with clean water as well as cleaning solution and empty the gray water tank whenever that fills up. And speaking of the gray water tank, the robot self-washes and self-dries the mopping pad after every cleaning run, so I don't have to go under the robot to clean the mopping pad, and it flushes all the contaminants into the gray water tank, which is such a nice feature to have. And whenever I do need mopping power, the robot automatically drops and picks up the mopping pad when needed, so I don't have to swap out the mopping pad manually. There's also an anti-allergen complete seal when the robot self-empties, so 99.97% of dust and pet allergens are captured when the robot automatically empties. And on top of that, there's an odor neutralizer after the robot self-empties. The bad odor is neutralized to offer a fresher smelling home. So I've had nothing but a great experience with the Shark PowerDetect because it automatically vacuums and mops all surfaces, and I rarely have to manually intervene when it comes to maintenance cycles for this robot, which I really like. If you're looking for a smart, more efficient way to clean your home, check out the Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro with the link in the description section of this video. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you to Shark for sponsoring this video.